Hey there, tech enthusiasts. If you're just diving into the exciting world of programming, you've come to the right place. I'm Jamin Talks Tech, and today we're going to explore the top programming languages for beginners. Ready? Let's jump in. First up, we have Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is like the Swiss Army knife of programming languages. It's versatile, beginner-friendly, and has a massive community. Whether you're into web development, data science, or automation, Python has got you covered. Next on our list is JavaScript. If you're interested in building interactive and dynamic websites, JavaScript is a must-learn. It's the backbone of web development, allowing you to create engaging user experiences and even dive into server-side with Node.js. For those taking their first steps into coding, Scratch is fantastic. Designed for kids and beginners, Scratch uses a block-based visual language, making it super intuitive. It's a fun way to understand the basics of programming logic and problem solving. Now let's talk about Java. It's been around for decades and is still widely used. Java's syntax is similar to other languages, making it a great gateway to learning more complex ones. Plus, it's the foundation for Android app development. There you have it, folks. Python, JavaScript, Scratch, and Java are fantastic choices for beginners. Remember, the key is to pick a language that aligns with your interests and projects. Happy coding, and stay curious. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things tech. Until next time, happy coding.